Yo, I walked in my shed and I smelled like goat poop and pee. And I was like, why does it smell in here? And I got a little scared. This might be the funniest thing that's ever happened to me. What are you doing in here? What are you doing? You pooping all over my tools? What are you doing, baby? Baby, come on, we gotta get out of my shed. Are you okay? What's going on? What are you doing in here? You're not supposed to be in here. Yo, you stink. You need to get out of here. Well, that didn't go as smoothly as I liked, but